In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your dashboard's performance using Tableau. Efficient dashboards can help you quickly derive insights and make data-driven decisions. So let's dive right in and make sure yours is running as smoothly as possible. First, to get started, we need to open the Tableau application. Tableau is a fantastic tool for creating interactive data visualizations, and it's widely used across many industries for this purpose. It's essential that you have the latest version installed to ensure you benefit from the most up-to-date features and optimizations. Once you have Tableau open, the next step is loading your data. This is crucial because the quality and organization of your data will significantly influence the performance of your dashboard. Ensure that your dataset is clean and structured in a way that aligns with your visual analysis objectives. You can connect to various data sources in Tableau, whether it's a spreadsheet, a database, or a cloud-based source. Take a moment to ensure your data connections are correctly configured. Now that your data is loaded, click on Dashboard in Tableau. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to bring together various reports and visualizations in a single coherent view. However, without proper tuning, even the most visually appealing dashboards can struggle in performance. We'll ensure yours is sharp and efficient. After setting your dashboard, the next step is to click on Server. This tab allows you to interact with Tableau Server, where you can publish and share your dashboard with others. It's important to ensure that your server settings are optimized, as this can affect how quickly others can access and interact with your dashboard. Finally, to really hone in on performance improvements, locate and click on Run Optimizer. This built-in feature evaluates your dashboard's performance and provides specific recommendations on how to improve speed and efficiency. The optimizer might suggest actions like reducing the complexity of calculations, limiting the use of custom SQL, or optimizing data extracts. Paying close attention to these recommendations can lead to significant performance enhancements, allowing users to interact more smoothly and efficiently with the data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken significant measures to improve your dashboard's performance in Tableau. Remember, the key to a successful dashboard is not just stunning visuals, but also the seamless performance that ensures users can access insights quickly and effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!